Hello students, so here we are going to learn today when there are two verbs in a sentence. Generally in a sentence we have only one verb. Yeah. So when there are two verbs in the sentence, what we are supposed to do? One is modal verb and other one is any random verb. So if there are two verbs in a sentence and one of them is compulsory modal verb. Okay, if one of them is compulsory modal verb, the other can be any random verb. What we are supposed to do with it? Give preference to modal verb. Because it is a sentence, we have to write the verb in the second place. Yeah. We are going to give preference to modal verb, so we are going to conjugate the modal verb. The second verb, the random second verb, whichever we have, because there are two verbs in a sentence. So first one is modal, second one any random verb. What are we going to do with that random verb? Put at the end before full stop. So don't think that where I am going to put this verb. Exactly before full stop you can put that verb. And no need to conjugate that verb. You have to keep that verb in an original form ending with en. Yeah. Example. Now here, möchten, one verb. Trinken, second verb. So what are we going to do with it? Conjugate the modal verb, as I told, because when there are two verbs, always conjugate the modal verb. Put the modal verb in second position. Ich möchte. In between you can put anything, whatever you all want to add. Only the main thing is when there are two verbs, the first we have to conjugate modal verb, give them preference, put in the second position, and the second verb you have to put before full stop in original form. So square means original, circle means conjugate. Now in the similar manner, you can frame some sentences in the similar pattern. Why this rule should be applicable? What generally children do, they try to translate the thing word to word. Don't translate word to word. For example, if you want to write I can swim. Okay, I can swim. So instead of saying directly ich kann schwimmen, try, okay, these are vocabularies we have to frame. Like ich is one vocab, können is one vocab, and schwimmen is one vocab. Just take the verbs and the pronoun which is necessary. Then pronoun always goes on first place. There are two verbs. So one we will conjugate in the second place, and the last one we will put at the end in the original form. So this is how we need to frame a normal sentence. If you want to add a noun in it, you all can say like here, ich will Pizza essen. So pronoun, verb on the second place, in between any noun whichever you want to add. The only thing is these two verbs should be going on a proper place. Modal verb second place, conjugation is necessary, and the other any word should be coming at the end before full stop and in the original form. Frame few sentences in the similar manner and do send it to me. Try framing the sentence in homework notebook and write this part in your classwork notebook.